Namaste, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. In this video, I am going to solve this problem. What is the value of x if 3 to the power 1 minus x minus 3 to the power x equal to? Here in left side, two terms and both has same base. And here 3 to the power 1 minus x. So we can use this exponent law, a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal a to the power m minus n. So this a to the power m minus n we can compare with this 3 to the power 1 minus x. So we can easily write. So here we can apply 3 to the power 1 divided by 3 to the power x. This negative goes down, okay? And 3 to the power x equal 2. 3 to the power 1 we can write 3. 3 to the power x minus 3 to the power x equal 2. Here in denominator 3 to the power x, so whole equation multiply by 3 to the power x. This term multiply with 3 to the power x, so this cancel just 3 minus this term multiply with 3 to the power x, so 3 to the power x square, okay, equal this term multiply with 3 to the power x, so 2 times 3 to the power x. We can rearrange this equation and this 3 and minus 3x to the 3 to the power x to the power 2 we can transfer this side. So this will be positive 3 to the power x square. This is plus 2 3 to the power x, and 3 goes here, so this will be negative 3. Now it looks like this is quadratic equation, but this is 3 to the power x. That's why we can take another variable. For example, u equal 3 to the power x. Okay. So here we can substitute this u value. So this will be u square plus 2, this u minus 3 equal 0. This is quadratic trinomial and we can easily factor this. Okay. Here u square coefficient is 1, so we can easily factor. Here product and sum, product is minus 3 and sum is 2. Product is negative, it means different sign, 1 times 3. And sum is positive, it means larger number positive, so this is negative. Okay. Negative 1 times 3, negative 3, and negative 1 plus 3 is 2. So u, here we got two numbers, minus 1 and plus 3. Okay. So u minus 1, here we can use 0 product rule. U plus 3 equals 0. U minus 1 equals 0 or u plus 3 equals 0. So u equal 1 or u equal minus 3. We can substitute here again this u value. U value was 3 to the power x equal 1 or 3 to the power x equal minus 3. So 3 to the power x equal 1, can we write 3 to the power x equal 3 to the power 0? Because any number to the power 0 always 1. Here we can means this, here base are same, so power are also same. So x is equal to 0. And here 3 to the power any number, it can't be negative, so this is impossible, so we won't take this negative 3 value. Okay, so our answer is x is equal to 0. For this, x is equal to 0 is the answer. Very simple question. If you have good knowledge about exponent laws and PEMDAS rules, so you can use easily this solve this question. But if you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you know another way to solve this problem, so please share with me. Bye. Have a great day.